outcome I am trying to achieve is working on my time management in order to get schoolwork done and the job of a single mother. I spoke with my daughter and expressed how the world doesn't always revolve around her, and it's time for me to focus and put efforts into the things that I want now that she's 15. Her and I sat down and came to the agreement that she would respect when I'm in the office, to leave me be, and to keep her music at a minimum. She would just have to fend for herself some nights. Also, when we sat down and talked, I explained how she had every opportunity to make something of herself, and her choices are hers, but right now, Mama is choosing to pursue things that I once wasn't able to. My daughter seemed to absorb and understand what I was trying to say, but later it's like it went in one ear and out the other. She totally disregarded the whole conversation, which honestly did not surprise me. During this interaction, I was hopeful she would understand and not be selfish, as most teenagers are. Being open and honest and direct did not work as I thought it may. It would seem that she just didn't absorb anything. When she speaks, I am fully engaged and interested, as I care about her to do so. I want to show her by that she can do the same. Maybe next time we have this conversation, I will make sure she is fully understanding how important this is to me, just like some things are important to her, and maybe explain to her I am more than just a mother. Explain to her as I love being a mother and always will, that my dreams and wants are also important.